Isang mapagpalayang araw at makulay sa ating lahat. This is Kurt Hushley Cavalier, your psychology student and a member of HH and Dakila.
Ayan, maayong hapon sa itong mga higala. Ako si Gregory Lois Magban. You can call me Greggy. Actually, a gender development na practitioner and also Hero Sub Youth Fellow of Dakila CDO.
Wow, it's an honor to be with you.
And it's an honor as well, Kurt.
Yeah.
I'm very honored, like first honor good as per Mela,
So, let me be the second honor.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for our topic today is
Pride
Pride Month. Ayan. So the first question is, so ako gitas no na mag-ask daw o
Sige,
question
go.
to Kurt. So personally, like for you, what is pride?
Okay, para sa ako, pride is a celebration
Okay.
where you can share your advocacy. It's a celebration where you can show your true self, where you can feel love, valued, and care here in our society. That's what pride for me. And also pride is being honor or being proud of who you are. Mabuhay.
Ayan, big
buhay.
word. Big word ang care,
Yeah.
no? Kay need na to og
Care. So for you, what is pride?
Ayan. Thank you so much for the wonderful question, Kurt.
Wow.
So ang pride actually no mo ni siya ato ang ay mong gingon ganina nga celebration as well as parang gina-recognize pod nato ang ato ang mga community from the LGBTQIA+ no, so from the different sectors as well kay of course gina-highlight nato intersectionality no, we have from IP community as well nga part sa rainbow
Yeah.
community, from person with disability, senior citizens, and of course our youth and children no, who are actually having their celebration as well during Pride Month. Ayan. So, do you have follow-up question aside from that?
Yeah, I don't have any follow-up questions. I would like to share that always remember every color in the flag is important.
Yes, because the color of the flag is,
Represent us.
yes, it represents us. Ayun.
So maybe let's talk about the history of pride here in the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dahil nag-research kami, bibigyan namin kayo ng
Trivia.
Pervitaw. Sige, unsa man na siya, Kurt, i-share sa to mga higala nga gatan-aw karon no ang history sa Pride.
So, let me share a little bit and then sa ating Kuya Greggy ang magtiwasan, ano? So, the history of Pride here in the Philippines is first held in Quezon City, if I'm not mistaken. It was June 26,
1990
70, 1998, 94.
I don't know, but it's
Yeah.
grabe na gid ning
June-
ano no. Like
June 26,
hula-hula ta dirig sa
1994.
Okay.
First held at Quezon City, the first Pride March.
Yes, so kauban na to during the Pride March in the first no kay we have from the religious sector no
Yeah.
was very supportive during that time and kauban pud nato ato mga organizations as well na from the ground good like civil society organizations na nakibaka para sa celebration during the Pride month no. And here in Dakila we also value no the advocacy
Yeah.
to campaign especially for our communities part sa ato ang Pride month or part sa atong community in diverse SOGIs. Ayan.
Yeah. And Pride Month is not all about celebrating us for being
Yes.
part of the LGBT community, but also we are celebrating it together with our allied and
Allies.
members. Where even
Yes.
though you are not part of the LGBT, you can celebrate with us, support us, show love for us. Yeah.
So I just want to ask you, Kurt, no, can you share to us like your pride moments when you discovering yourself or even being part of the movement?
Yeah, so at first, the most kanang pinaka known gid nga battle of being a member of the LGBT community is kanang mag-come up ka going out of your shell.
Yeah.
So the first time nga nag-ingon ko sa akong parents, since my parents is a very religious, no? Grabe sila ka-religious. At first they are shocked.
Yeah, like how shocked.
Like, wow. Shock. Like, there is also an aftershock after the first shock. Yeah. So, mura siya glinog, no? Nga, nauyog yun among balay. Like, abay ko pag magpari ni siya.
Oh.
Yeah, ana
Diba?
nga
Pwede
atake.
naman, di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Kaya, preach dito. But, I tried to hide it at first. I tried nga, dili pwede. Dapat stick gid ta kung unsa ta no. Stick gid ta kung if we are men, so dapat women gid ta padulungan na.
Mm,
And dili gid allowed ang mag kuan sa lain nga mga sex
yes.
sa mga og sa mga gender, no? So kato siya, gi-hide na ako, but di gid siya mawala. I tried my best to hide it, but mao man gini siya.
Yes. Actually, Kurt, thank you for sharing like murag very an open book, no? Makita na to dito the struggle ever since bata pa ta.
Yeah, oo.
Kaya makita na to dito ang agents of gender socialization. So these agents are the institutions or mga people nga ga-influence ato ang personhood. That includes also the family, di ba?
Yeah.
And how they tell us to grow or how they influence us to really have our work. Dapat kani ka engineering ka, kay lalaki ka, or nurse ka, kay babae ka. And then as we grow old talaga,
Yeah.
as we grow in this country, we really appreciate the essence of nurses nga na yung mga lalaki. And we also have engineering na mga babae, di ba?
Yeah.
And then that will also translate towards social transformation or changes na makita na to na accepted sa to ang country, no?
Yeah.
Even though dili kay pa that supportive, however we see na some changes na makita na to, di ba?
Yeah. Oo.
Yes.
And I am also happy that later on my family accepted me for who am I, and they
Yes.
supported me in every endeavors in life and any activities. And actually, my mom is really proud
Yes.
that I am celebrating
proud.
Pride Month.
Yes. Shout out din po na sa itong mga moms.
Yeah.
No, I was raised also by single moms, so very proud also kay my mom will nahimo siya akong mom and dad. So, parang siya po ang tabang sa ako when I grow up. And of course, very supportive in our community.
But always remember, the best thing that you can do is to accept yourself, love yourself, and care for yourself.
And by loving yourself, always choose yourself and to serve the community. Ayan. Happy Pride Month, mga langga. And this is Hogyang Subalangaw.
Mabuhay at isang makulay na karawan sa ating mga Pride members and allies.
Thank you so much.